and welcome to another Purveyor of Light Photoshop quick tip. Today we've got one here that, when I was starting out in Photoshop, drove me crazy. And I couldn't figure it out. I just thought that, Photoshop was malfunctioning and why couldn't this do this simple task? So let me show you what the thing is. I have an image here and I decided, hey, this is a great image. I want to do a grunge effect, border type thing. I want to be creative about it. I want it to look splattered and broken, that typical grunge effect border. But I says, how am I going to accomplish that? Because I need to remove the picture in order to do that and keep the transparency down below. And so the transparency was very important to me because this was going to be a PNG. So anyhow, I went in. I said, this shouldn't be a problem. I went into the eraser tool, and I said, okay, yep, that goes right to transparency. It's perfect. Okay, but I need to do it in a creative brush. So again, I'm on the eraser tool, and now I'm just going to go ahead and change my brush. And I go, okay, there's a nice creative brush. And wait a minute, I'm on the paintbrush. How'd that happen? Let me try it again. So, eraser tool. Now I'm back on the round brush. All right, let's try this again. Create a brush. Okay. Wait a minute. I'm now back on the paintbrush tool. Photoshop's defective, obviously. And this is what drove me crazy in the beginning because I did want to erase parts of the picture with a creative brush, but I didn't understand or pay attention to what Photoshop was doing. So Photoshop was actually smarter than me, and it said, you're going to use a custom brush? Okay, great. You're going to do a brush, and if you paint with this brush, it's just going to, I'm going to switch colors here, it's just going to paint with that brush, and it's not giving me transparency, it's actually painting white. And that's not what I want. But Photoshop's smarter than me, okay? And this is why I didn't pay attention or figure it out for a while. You don't use the eraser tool to erase the picture, okay? You use a paintbrush, and then you change the mode to clear, okay? So now, when I stroke, you can see I'm getting the transparency underneath. So I'm actually erasing and creating the grunge that I want to using my brush. So that's the tip. The tip is, if you want to do a custom brush and erase a portion of the photo creatively, okay, you have to turn around and use an ordinary paintbrush and then set the ordinary paintbrush from normal to clear. And it's the same thing as having an eraser. So that's the tip. So I just wanted to share that with you guys in case you come across that in your future endeavors working with Photoshop. Drove me crazy forever, okay? Because I couldn't understand why the tool kept changing from the eraser tool to a paintbrush. So I just wanted to share that with you today. And I hope you guys are doing well. And if you like this video, please share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. All that good stuff that helps the channel out. And I appreciate all you guys. Until next week, you guys take care.